Good morning, students. In previous lecture, I have told about chapter 3rd, that was safety and first aid. Today I am going to start our new chapter, that is matter and its states. At first, what is the definition of matter? Let us know what is the definition of matter. Mention here, see, anything that has mass and that occupies the space. It means anything around you that has mass. It means having weight, having some weight, like this chalk. It's also having some weight, okay, as well as occupy the space. If we put on this green board, then its space, its cover some space like here, okay. It means it's also have some weight and occupies space. So your definition of matter, that is mentioned here. What is the definition of matter? Anything that has mass as well as occupies space, that is known as matter. Okay, students, now come to what is matter made of. It means from which substances matter is made of. Your answer is mentioned here. Matter is made from molecules. It means what? Matter is made up of very small particles. Very small particles we can't see with our naked eyes. Okay, small particles, that is known as molecules. Okay, and except molecules, also atom, here one word, that is atom. Atom is also very small, we can't see with our naked eyes. So atom makes molecules and molecules make matter. Okay, and how many states of matter? There is mainly 3 states of matter, that is solid, second one liquid, and third one, that is gas. These are mainly states of matter. Beyond this, the 4th states of matter. Plasma is known as 4th states of matter. Okay, then arrangement of particles in matters. Example of solids, the way particles are arranged in substance decides the states of matter. Who decides the states of matter? The arrangement of particle decides the states of matter. In the case of solid, see here, students, like this diagram, molecules arranged with each other and tightly packed to each other, okay, and though they can't move to each other because they are tightly packed with intermolecular force of attraction. Here one word, intermolecular force of attraction, that bind these particles. So according to this behavior, solids has rigid property. So closely packed particles almost no space. Okay, here see this diagram. Between them generally rigid have fixed. How they have rigid? Having the property of intermolecular force of attraction and definite volume. Also solid have definite volume as well as definite shape and a strong force of attraction between the particles. Students, now come to in liquid. In case of liquids, the arrangement of particles, there is some space between the particles, intermediate force. Having which force? Intermediate force of attraction between them, not as rigid as solids. Why solids as rigid? due to having property of force of attraction. Okay, but there is no force of attraction, so these particles are not rigid as solids, have definite volume. In case of liquid, have definite volume but do not have fixed shape. Okay, but in the condition of solids, have definite volume as well as definite shape. But here in case of liquid, definite volume but don't have definite shape. Okay, they can move and slide over each other, and also liquid can fill a container. Okay, why? Because it occupies space easily than comparison to solids, so we can fill in containers also. Here see the diagram. Here particles, these are gathering, okay, from each other, not tightly packed to each other in case of liquids. Now come to condition of, in case of gases, their particles loosely packed particles. It means they are so weakest, have large spaces, having large spaces between them. See the diagram here. One particle is here, then another is there. Now see this arrangement found in case of gases. It means loosely packed to each other, so have large space between them. See here, there is gapping between molecules, have large space between them, and weakest force of attraction, not strongest force of attraction, there is found weakest force of attraction. Neither definite shape in case of gas, nor definite volume in case of gas. Okay, can move freely. It means gases can move freely in the space available to them and fill the space. Okay, so here the arrangement of solid, liquid and gas. Solid have definite shape and definite volume, but in the case of liquid have definite here what volume, but don't have definite shape. But in the condition of gas, there is no definite shape and no definite volume. So that's all. Thank you for today.